fund the dream. So I want to talk to you about a few different ways we can finance the opportunity for you. I'm going to talk a little bit about SBA loans, going to talk about the rollover for business startup, and then securities-backed loans. On the SBA, everybody familiar with SBA, Small Business Administration? It's alive and well, and most of the banks that you may know well, and maybe even have your checking account there, are SBA lenders. And the government really guarantees these loans, which makes it advantageous for the lenders to do the loans. So there's plenty of money out there. There's a number of different programs out there. Most recently, the government was focused on loans under $350, and then again, as Britt alluded to, under $150. The under $150 loan is what we call kind of a low doc loan. So it's a minimal amount of paperwork. It does not have to be collateralized 100%. If collateral is available, the lender will take it, but if it's not, they're not required to. So the current rate is 6%, and as we all know, last week nothing happened. The rate hasn't moved. The prime hasn't moved in 8 or 9 years. I don't see it going anywhere, maybe another quarter point. So good time to borrow money. And usually the SBA loans that we see take about 30 to 60 days. So in order to be eligible for the loans, there's a couple things the lenders look for. Certainly personal strong credit. And on the side there, you see the 5 C's. Character, that's really your credit score. There's a credit score and a small business scoring system that they go by. Capacity, that's going to be the ability to pay the loan back, and that's going to depend on the unit economics and how much money you can make based on the loan amount you have. Capital, that's going to be your investment. You can also use your 401k for the cash investment in the SBA loan. We'll talk about that in a second. And then the intended purpose of the loan. A lot of the folks you see here are all SBA approved. They're on the SBA registry, and the SBA will loan for those brands that are here today. And then last, collateral. So you see the things we need there. Certainly, I think very easy to do. We've been doing about $15 to $20 million a month now in SBA lending. We're one of many, many companies out there. So a lot of lending going on.